In this video, we're going to dive into how to customize your job postings on Top Echelon so you can maximize your hiring efforts and attract the right candidates in no time. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share an exclusive bonus that will help you get started with Top Echelon for free. First things first, customizing your job postings on Top Echelon is a great way to ensure that your listings stand out to the best talent. You're able to tailor job descriptions and requirements to match the exact needs of your company. It's all about making sure your job postings attract the right candidates without wasting time. To start, after logging into your Top Echelon account, head over to the Job Postings section in the dashboard. Here, you'll see all the job listings that have been created. To customize a posting, simply click on the job title you want to work with, and you'll be brought to an editable version of the job description. The key customization options here are the job title, description, required skills, and any specific qualifications or certifications that you want to include. Don't hesitate to be specific. Top Echelon allows you to add detailed requirements to ensure you're targeting exactly who you need. Let's talk about the job description itself. This is where you can really shine and make sure the posting reflects your company's voice and culture. You can use formatting tools to break down the description into sections that make it easy for candidates to read. Highlight key aspects like job responsibilities, growth opportunities, and company benefits. You want to give potential hires a clear picture of what they can expect. Now, it's not just about the job description. It's also about adding custom screening questions that help you filter out applicants who may not be the right fit. You can add these questions during the job posting setup process, and it will ensure you only receive resumes from candidates who meet your criteria. Another helpful customization option is adding tags to your job posting. These tags make it easier for job seekers to find your listing when they're searching for specific roles or industries. This can give your job posting better visibility and ensure it reaches the right audience. Top Echelon also offers a wide range of job categories, so selecting the one that best matches your job type will ensure it appears in relevant searches. You can also take advantage of Top Echelon's advanced features like salary range inclusion and setting application deadlines, which are critical for managing your hiring timeline. Setting these expectations up front lets candidates know when to apply and helps streamline the recruiting process. If you're looking for an even more personalized approach, Top Echelon offers tools to incorporate your company's branding into your job postings. By adding logos, custom colors, and even a branded landing page, you can make sure your job listings feel like an extension of your brand. This can significantly improve the candidate experience and make your job postings more attractive to top talent. Once you've made all your customizations, make sure to preview your job posting before it goes live. This ensures everything looks good and works properly before candidates start applying. And remember, when you create job postings, it's essential to track performance. Top Echelon lets you view how well your posts are performing, including how many views and applications each posting is getting. If you're not getting the traction you want, don't hesitate to tweak your posting or experiment with different keywords. If you're new to the platform, I've got a great deal for you. You can start using Top Echelon for free right now with our exclusive extended trial link below. This way, you can experience all the customization features firsthand without committing to anything. In conclusion, customizing your job postings on Top Echelon is a straightforward yet powerful way to attract the right talent. From tailoring your job descriptions to adding company branding and screening questions, these small tweaks can make a big difference in your hiring process. Don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description to start using Top Echelon for free, along with some exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and happy recruiting.